for a detailed study. They will have to do a detailed study and get back, and we'll see how feasible this proposal to lay a fresh pipeline would be. Then there are issues vis-a-vis toilets. So I have, as the Chief Minister yesterday said, it is going to be the responsibility of the boat owners to provide facilities to using of toilets, to ensure that their workers use the Sulab toilets. To me, I get the impression that the workers are not using the Sulab toilets because they have to pay for every use. The associations were here, some representatives of the association were here. In principle, they have agreed that that they would they would pay for usage of those toilets of their employees. Their only request was that we should negotiate, if we could negotiate the rates that Sulab toilet is charging, but they expressed their willingness to pay for it. As far as vessels that are parked there, we have decided that the Fisheries Department will, at the moment, is charging 5,000 rupees as parking fees for these vessels. It is agreed by, and I'm happy to say, it is a proposal from the association, it has not come from us, that this 5,000 should be increased to 1 lakh per month if you park your vessel there. I think it will be a good deterrent, and I'm happy because it has come from the association itself. So, like this, we have come out with various suggestions, various opinions and suggestions have come. For example, registration of the workers with the health department to ensure that those the workers are also registered with the police. So all these things we're trying to put in place, and I'm sure we will succeed. Except that we require time. For example, as far as vis-a-vis toilets, there is a proposal that we should have a 50-seater Sulab toilet built there. That will take a little time. So we are toying with the idea to see whether we can get in temporary toilets, which would be serviced, would be cleaned on a daily basis. So we have ideas. We will put them in place. Only thing is, we require a little time for that.
So altogether, how many